Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnavi Mahadev Vallekar. Today is a technical topic that is the pharmacovigilance, and today's topic name is the rare drug and the orphan drug pharmacovigilance. The rare and the orphan drug pharmacovigilance is a specialized field focused on to the monitoring and ensuring the safety and the effectiveness of the medications which is developed for the real disease. The disease which affects the fewer than number of people in the US or less than the 10,000 people into the European Unions. These drugs and their target population pharmacovigilance present the distinct challenges and the required for the different approaches. The key features of the rare drug and the orphan drugs: the small patient. The clinical trials typically have the limited participants. Then the severe disease conditions, the often the life-threatening or the chronically disturbing diseases. Then the limited treatment alternatives. The patients may have few or no other treatment options. The expedited development. The many drugs receive the fast tracks approvals. Then the pharmacovigilance challenges for the rare drugs and to the orphan drugs. The data scarcity. The small patient numbers limits the identification of the rare adverse event. The incomplete safety profiles at the time of the drug approvals. Then the accelerated approvals. It involves the fast track approvals, which is accelerated by the EMA primes, which have the long term safety data, are at the incomplete drug launch. The limited evidence. The trials often lack the diverse populations, which leading to the unknown safety concerns post approvals. Then the real world evidence dependency, which involves the heavy reliance onto the real world data due to the monitor the safety and the effectiveness of the drugs. Then the key activities of the pharmacovigilance, like post marketing surveillance, which collects the data and analysis of the adverse drug reactions from the healthcare professionals and to the patients. Then the periodic safety update reports and the periodic benefit risk evaluation reports are important for the rare and the orphan drugs. Then the risk management plan, that is RMP's plan, which required for all the orphan drugs to outline the risk mitigation strategies, which includes the pharmacovigilance activities, the risk minimization process, the patient registries, the long-term observational study to track the safety and the efficacy. Then provide the valuable data on the drug usage and the safety signals. Then the collaboration with the patients groups, which engages the patients to report the adverse drug reactions and share their experiences. Then help in gathering the patient reported outcome, which is necessary for the pharmacovigilance. Then the pharmacoepidemiological studies, which includes the post-marketing observational studies to assess the drug safety into the larger populations. Then the regulatory framework. First one, it is a United States. The Orphan Drug Act 1983 provides the incentives for developing the rare drug disease treatments. Then the post-marketing surveillance requirements under the FDAA. Then the European Union, that is the EMA. The Orphan Medical Products Regulation EC number 141/2000. Then the risk management and the pharmacovigilance under the European Union Pharmacovigilance Directive. Then it involves the international collaborations, the International Conference on the Harmonization Guidelines, that is the ICH guidelines, which plays an essential role in the WHO Global Pharmacovigilance initiatives. Then the it involves the risk management strategies, risk mitigation strategies, and the proactive risk assessment. Then identify the potential risk early and design the mitigation strategy as per requirement. Then the benefit risk evaluation. Then the continuous assessment to ensure the positive benefit risk profiles. Then the risk communication, which provides the clear safety information to the healthcare professionals healthcare professionals and to the patients. Then the technologicals and the analytical tools like AI machines and the machine learning used for the signal detections and the adverse event pattern analysis. Then the big data analytics helps into data sets from the electronic health records and the patient registries. The mobile apps which helps to the patients to report the adverse drug reactions directly onto the portal. Then the best practices for the companies which involves the patient-centric approaches which engage the patients for reporting the adverse drug reactions and helps to monitoring the adverse drug reaction. Then the pool safety and the data regions for the better insights. Then the transparent communication which ensures the timely updates onto the drug safety and the drug effectiveness. Then the collaborative research partner with the academic and the regulatory bodies. Then we have to reference to the specific guidelines or to the detailed examples of the pharmacovigilance cases for the rare drugs and the orphan drugs. Thank you.